So what if I told you Salesforce can approve discounts, expenses, or even leave requests automatically without anyone lifting a finger? Sounds cool, right? So that's exactly what we learned today. How approval process bring automation to the business approvals. So hello guys, this is 𝗕𝗿liche𝘂𝘁 and I am welcoming you to Brazen Academy, powered by Brazen Group, and Brazen is a trusted Salesforce consulting partner all over a decade across the Americas and Caribbean. So here we make you master in Salesforce through hands-on lessons, real-world projects, and certification-ready courses. So you can watch, learn, and then head over to academy.brazengroup.com to take your skills further. And you can also enroll in full courses, appear for the exam, and grow to your Brazen certified batches to showcase on your LinkedIn and resume. So subscribe now and join thousands of learners transforming their career with Brazen Academy. So we have started a series on Salesforce Certified Administrator. In this series, we will learn everything you become a Salesforce Certified Admin. So whether you are just starting out or you want to refresh your knowledge. So this series will guide you step by step from basic level to advanced level. So in this video, we are going to talk about approval process. So approval process is most powerful automation that's handling business approvals in Salesforce. Whether it's approving a discount, a leave request, or an expenses. Approval process makes sure that nothing gets approved without following the right steps. So what exactly is an approval process? So think of it like digital approval workflow. When a record meets certain conditions, Salesforce automatically sends it to the manager and another person for approval. So it's mostly used for things like discount or deals approvals, leave requests, expenses, or case acceleration. So it is make sure that only authorized people can approve certain actions and everything is still trackable and consistent. So now let's talk about some key components of approval process. So first one is entry criteria. When should the approval start? So for example, when a discount percentage is more than 20%. So the next one is approver, who will approve the record. So for example, like a manager or CEO. So the next one is approval steps. You can have multiple steps level, like first the manager and then director. So the last one is actions. Actions are like what's happened before, during, and after the approval, like sending emails, updating status field, and so on. So basically, you set the conditions, choose the approvers, and define what happens at each stage. So now that we understand what is approval process and why it is important, so let's look into the real example. So now, for example, we will create an approval process where an account gets sent to the approval automatically when its rating becomes hot. So this is one of the easiest and cleanest demo to understand how approval process work in Salesforce. So let's go to our Salesforce org and try to create approval process. So this is our Salesforce org. And in the quick find box, you can search approval process. So here you can see the approval process. And you can here you can select the object. I select the account object and create new approval process. So you can select the use jump wizard, use jump start wizard. This is easy for beginners. So now simply type the name here, approval. So here you can select the email template, and in the fields you can select account rating, and in the operator you can select equals, and in the values you can search here by clicking the search icon hot. Click on insert, select date. So here you can select the approver. So you can automatically assign to the approvers. So here you can see the search icon. So I selected the 𝗚𝗿cie 𝘂𝘁 and just click on save. So you can also add actions on approval or rejection, but they are optional in this demo. So now click on activate. After activate, Salesforce will start watching for accounts with rating hot. So just go to the account section. So now simply change the rating to hot. Click on save, and now go to the drop down button and click on submit for approval. Click on submit. And account was submitted to approval. So now here you can see the notification pop up. So click on that. So as soon as I changed the rating to hot, Salesforce allowed me to submit it for approval. And now the approver, I can approve or reject the request. So just click on approve. So now you can see the record status updated to approved. No emails, no spreadsheet needed. So that's how approval process work in Salesforce. They help automate approvals, reduce manual work, and keep everything structured and auditable. You can create similar approvals for expenses, leaves, or any other code type, all using clicks, no code. So that's it for this video. If you are watching this session on YouTube and want to go behind YouTube, head over to academy.brazengroup.com to take the full course and attempt the certification exam and got your Brazen certified batches ready to shine on LinkedIn and resume. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. And you can also comment below with your questions and feature you want us to cover. So thank you for watching and keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video right here at Brazen Academy, where learning meets certification. Thank you.